So hello guys, maayong adlaw sa tanan. So welcome back to the Bihero Mastersiman channel, ang inyong pinaka-simple at totoong channel ng mga marino. So without further ado, let my story begin. So hello guys, today we'll talk about how to find and understand the time zone of Busan, South Korea, and Long Beach, California. Why? Because our voyage is Busan to Long Beach. So knowing the local time of a certain place, like certain port, is very essential. Why? That's because first, in order for the vessel to arrive at the right time, so you have the accurate ETA in that certain port, and at some point it will be inaccurate if you get the wrong time zone. So for example, instead of UTC minus 9 or UTC minus 10, you got the wrong time zone. So at some point it will be inaccurate if you get the wrong time zone. And second, in order for the mariners to calculate the required speed needed in order to arrive at given ETA. So normally guys, the charter will have instruction, will instruct the ship, and basis you depart from this, let's say for example we will depart in Busan this date and time, and then you have the ETA given to, for example, Long Beach. So what would be your required speed in order to arrive there timely? So this time zone is very important in calculating the required speed. So what is time zone? So actually guys, in the globe or the earth, so a time zone is a region. So every region on earth has different time zones. So this is a region where the same standard time is used. So normally the earth is divided into 24 main time zones. That's why we have 24 hours clock basis. So this is usually based on longitude. So next step is where do we find the time zone? So in my experience guys, and most deck officers I sailed with, normally the search it on the internet. Just Google it. Say for example, time zone of Busan, South Korea, time zone of Long Beach, California. So that's it. But the problem is minsan guys, hindi accurate ang internet. It's not accurate. Not at all times it's accurate. Kasi one time I searched, let's say for example, shuttle when during my previous vessel. So actually it's wrong. So that's why on board a ship we have the publication on board, and that is what we call Admiralty Digital Radio Signal. I think it's volume 2. Later on we'll have I'll have to show you the how to search for the exact time zone in every country. So guys, this is where our publications are stored. So sa barko nyo, hanapin nyo na lang. For example, we have the ADRS volume 2, this one. So just double click on it. Okay, just wait for it to load. And then guys, on the Windows, so you can tackle actually on the Windows, let's say for example this one. So now you can tick whatever you like, and then since we are going to determine the time zone in each port or each country, so we have to tick this list territories to guys. So ito so pwede yan, naka-tick na yan. So we'll just, for example, like that's Windows. So go to Windows, then click list territories, then it will pop up. Okay, again, so this one guys, list territory. So this is it guys. So as you can see on the bottom, so you have the Admiralty Islands, Afghanistan. So we'll have to look for Korea. So search ko lang sa Korea. So we have to look the South Korea. I think it's Korea. So you can zoom it in. So walang camera trick to guys. So this is real talaga. So Korea. So as you can see guys, so this is the Korea South, so which is -9. So -9, the standard time is -9 and without DST. So that is our point A. So we'll go to point B, which is Long Beach, California. So we'll go to USA. Okay, we'll go to USA. Letter U. RS. So wala tayong cameraman guys. We don't have cameraman. So QRSTU. Okay guys, here we go. So it says here United States of America, but the problem is guys, where is the Long Beach, California belong? See guys, so you have the Eastern EST, the Central CST, Mountain MST, Mountain Arizona, Pacific, so Alaska, Aleutian, and Hawaii. So to supplement your knowledge guys, to supplement your search, so you will have to go to the reference. Let's say for example we'll go to the tabs and we'll go to reference. So we'll have to find a world map reference. This is the time zone world. Okay, we'll go to the time zone world. So we just maximize it. So dito guys, mapansin nyo, this is the map of the United States, no, and Canada. So, kita ba? Ayan. So make sure guys, sa chart nyo, you can locate in this drawing where is the nearest time zone in relation to your port. So in our case guys, it's California. So California is somewhere here guys. This one, this island is Santa Barbara Channel. This one, small islets island. Hindi na natin zoom in. So it says here guys, +8. So the color, I don't know what color is that. It's may pagka pinkish guys, no? So +8. Ang sabi sa bulang kristal, it's +8. So +8. So it means it's Pacific time. So we'll close this one. Okay, we'll close this one. So it says here guys, Zone 4. So it is located on Zone 4 Pacific time, PST, Pacific Standard Time. So +8. But be careful to the DST, Daylight Saving Time guys. So you have to advance 1 hour DST +7 on the second Sunday in March 0200 and first Sunday in November 0200. So that's it guys. So yan yung paano how to determine the correct time zone of a particular country, particular region in relation to your passage planning from point A to point B. So I hope guys you learn something from it. So hindi na ako magtatagal. So thank you very much for watching this video. Till next, babush!